Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the Squarespace website menu. Understanding each section of this menu is essential because it controls everything from your site's design to how you sell products and communicate with your audience. Let's break down each menu item so you know exactly what it does and when to use it. First, let's discuss Home. This is the main dashboard of your Squarespace site. When you log in, this is where you'll land. It shows quick access links, helpful tips, and your recent activity. Think of it as your control center. It's not where you edit content directly, but rather where you navigate to all the other areas of your site. It gives you a snapshot of what's happening and makes it easy to jump to the tools you need. Next is Website. This is where you design and edit your site. It includes pages, styles, fonts, colors, and navigation. Essentially, this section controls how your site looks and works. If you want to edit text, add sections, change your layout, or adjust your site's visual appearance, this is where you'll spend most of your time. It's the creative hub where your site comes to life. Then the third one is Products and Services. This section is used to sell physical or digital products, as well as services like consulting or classes. It includes everything related to pricing, checkout, and product details. For example, if you're selling merchandise or offering paid services, this is the section you'll use to set it all up and manage your store. Then we have Content and Memberships. This is used to manage members-only content. It lets you create member areas and control access to specific pages or content. This is often used for subscriptions or gated content. For example, if you're running a private lesson library or offering a paid course, this is where you'll set up access and manage your members. Next is Scheduling. This section is used to book appointments or sessions. It lets visitors choose dates and times that work for them, and it can connect directly to your calendar. If you're offering consultations, classes, or any kind of appointment-based service, this is the tool you'll use to make booking easy for your clients. Then next is Donations. This section is used to collect donations on your site. It supports both one-time and recurring donations, making it ideal for nonprofits or fundraisers. For example, if you're accepting donations for a cause or running a campaign, this is where you'll set it up and track contributions. Then we have Invoicing. This is used to send invoices to clients. It lets you request payment for work or services, and it can handle one-time or recurring invoices. If you've just completed a project and need to bill a client, this is the section you'll use to create and send that invoice. Next one is Email Campaigns. This section is used to send emails to subscribers. It helps you create newsletters and announcements, and it tracks open rates and clicks so you can see how your emails are performing. If you want to send updates or promotions to your audience, this is where you'll do it. Then we have Contacts. This stores visitor and customer information. It collects emails from forms, signups, and purchases, and it lets you organize contacts with tags. If you're managing a mailing list or keeping track of your customers, this is where all that information lives. Then there's Analytics. This section shows how people use your website. It tracks visits, popular pages, and traffic sources, helping you understand what's working and what needs improvement. For example, if you want to see which pages get the most views, this is where you'll find that data. Last one is Finance. This manages all the money activity on your site. It shows sales, payouts, and transactions, and it connects to payment providers like Stripe. If you want to check how much money you've earned or track your revenue, this is the section you'll use. Now you know what each section of the Squarespace menu does and how to use it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.